The ghetto car wash here. The hell? Yep, ghetto car wash here, as you can see. Got the change here. Jumbo dry. Air fresheners. Alright, now you gotta do the soap, sir.
Don't need soap. What the fuck?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. You need to scrub everything, fool. You need to scrub it. Hurry up, man, before the time runs out. Yeah. This fool. Here's the ghetto thing. Yeah. Let me add more quarters to this. I want to add quarters. Hold up. Yeah, on the top. Right there on the top.
You put soap. Foam, right?
Oh yeah, there you go. There we go. There we go. All right, let's add quarters.
That's it.
Oh, too many soap, dude. Don't put too much soap. Don't put that much soap. Alright, sir, you gotta add more coins. Too much soap, dude. You got a minute left, sir. You got 1 minute left. You got the coins I can put in?
What?
You got the coins? So I can put them in? Yeah. Cool.
That's how you wash it.
Yo, next time I wash caddy here again. Do not dump oil. Bag or what? Yo, scrub that shit, man.
Soap on.
Damn, you put hella soap. We're gonna do the wax right now, right after. We're gonna do the wax, right?
Waxing. Make the top wash it.
Oh yeah, their car isn't shiny. Why? I don't understand. Only Tarsi's car is shiny.
Wash it shiny the most.
Alright, hurry up, Ho. You gotta do the scrub with the water again. I think that's enough, sir. I think that's enough. Alright, here you go.
2 minutes. Time attack.
Time attack. 1 minute, sir. I don't have more. How much more?
Let's feel like try it right there, right?
You can try it anywhere, yeah. Yeah, you can try it over there. Any one of those. You want more time or no? You want more time? Or is it good already? It's good?
Clean already?
You have 27 seconds left. Yeah. Just go one more time around. I'll put one more quarter then. There. 1 minute. Yeah. Just go around fast.
You saw that fucking water?
Yeah. Ghetto car wash, people. All right, you're done almost, sir. There we go. $5. It cost us $5 to wash. Yep, a good wash, huh? Yeah. All right, let's go over there. Let's go over there and the other one. Not over there, over there.
Just back up.
Yeah. There you go. You can do vacuum if you want too. Look, $1. $1 for vacuum.
Time to spray this shit. Make it shine.
Alright. You're gonna demonstrate what else you're gonna do.
Spray.
What else you doing?
Spray.
What is that?
To make this car shiny.
Wax?
No need to wax.
You can wax over there too.
Fuck that shit. It's called cleaning waxing.
It is pretty sick. Look, they got vacuum $1, fool. Cheap or what? But you gotta dry it first before wax. Dry it first, fool. Oh, that was pretty nice, dude.
It's gonna shine. that shit?
Damn, your car's really nice.
Different.
Your car's really nice, dude.
Spray different. Look at this.
Where do you buy it?
Yeah, gas station.
I need to buy that for a Cadillac.
Look at this. Shiny, not shiny. See?
Yeah, that's like shiny. It's
Look
not
like
shiny.
diamond or what?
Yeah,
Look at that shit.
let's see in the end how it all gonna look in the end. See, $5 wash, man. $1 vacuum instead of paying Paisa 20 over there.
Shiny.
Just do it yourself. This is ghetto, huh? Oh, do they sell it here? Do you think?
What?
Over here in this one. Do you think they sell it there?
It's not really good. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's cheap to wash.
This is like 1950 stuff, dude.
Old school.
Yo.
See, it like shiny too.
Oh shit.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, your car's really nice.
Transformation.
Transformation.
Look at that. No more.
What kind of cloth is that though? Microfiber cloth.
Nice.
Are you gonna do vacuum or no? No?
It's clean inside.
I need to do vacuum with mine. Next time we do car wash with mine, I'm gonna do vacuum. And I'm gonna do that. Wax.
Wax. Bottle wax.
Yeah. Not the ghetto wax, man.
Spray wax. Good commercial.
Yo, it's good, dude. Fast wax.
I might need to buy that paper.
The what?
That paper. Is it 50 cents?
Yeah, I could buy it. I could buy it right. Why though? You don't have enough?
But this shit's all wet.
All right, we're gonna go buy the paper. Dry with jumbo blue sham. 50 cents. Let's see how it looks. I think you pull this. Did it come out? Oh, my quarters came out for some reason. Yeah. I don't think they have any more left inside. Oh, too bad. Can't buy it. Ah. It's sold out, sir. Nope. Cannot buy it.
Do they sell it the next day?
Gotta use that. Or gotta go in there. Gotta go in the auto shop.
Should have bought two.
Gotta go to the auto shop.
Should have bought two.
Yeah, just squirt it like that. Yeah, squirt it like that.
Like that.
Hey, but your car looks really nice now.
Shiny.
It's time to wash here all the time now, or what?
Cheap.
Yeah, $5.
Plus,
Oh, you got a scratch there. What the hell?
no, it's like plastic protection.
No, this one.
Yeah, plastic. Hello? Ủa, sấy gắn thôi.
Mighty vacuum. Directions: trash, deposit coins, vacuum area, replace. This is ghetto stuff.
Need to buy her the SIM card. Straight talk. Oh, what the fuck?
What
She
happened?
came out.
What? What is that, Andrew? Oh, oh yeah, that one always comes out. Why didn't you get a case?
Huh?
A case?
I do have a case.
Lag shit or what?
Should have bought 2 cloth
Yup, they don't have any more of the other ones.
and the wheel shiny too.
Yeah, dude. You gotta try wax here though one time. With the brush. I like your I like your carbon fiber customs thing.
Drive it no peeling.
Okay, carbon fiber and carbon fiber here. And you got the custom spoiler too, huh?
This one carbon fiber.
Now you just need the brake right here in the wheel, that's all. That's all you need. Oh, and right here too, huh? The this thing.
Black wheel. Look
Yeah.
aggressive.
Yeah. So far so good, man.
It's hot as fuck today.
Yeah.
That's why I watched this.
Let air dry though. Yeah, well, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It's time to wash here now, huh? $5. Yeah, he did. Even white guys are washing here, dude. Well, yeah, how do you like the car wash so far, man? How do you like to try it?
It's pretty cool.
Save cash, huh?
Not that ghetto. I didn't hear no
Say,
gunshot.
say, yeah, but not now, later.
Should we try it now at night?
Well, we should wash one day at 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. here.
My friend did that.
He did?
Happened.
You was alone, huh?
He came with a group.
Oh yeah, that's why.
Nothing happened. They have light here too, right?
Yeah, they got light here too, yo. But yeah, $5, man. Oh, watch out with that, man. Dude, don't want to bend that too much. Yo, hell yeah, look at that. So you liked it or what? Was it cool?
Wash it every week.
Was it cool or what?
Wash it every week.
It's cool, right? Alright then, man.
Can be clean inside. So that shit doesn't
Vacuum or what? The vacuum's here, dude.
clean inside right here. So the door doesn't get fucked up.
Alright, Minty Fresh, I hope you enjoy your car wash, man. Look at that. All clean, man.
Fast and easy.
Yep, and cheap
Straw
shit.
water.
Alright, man.
Shiny.
Yep. Your car's sick, man. I like it.